Today we're unboxing the Levelhike HDMI cable for the Neo Geo AES. We're going to unbox it, plug it in and test it out, compare the quality to composite video, and then I'm going to give you a quick review and show you where I bought it. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I see the sticker for Stone Age Gamer on a package, just kind of makes me feel like it's Christmas or my birthday or something. But enough nerding out. This is the Levelhike Neo Geo AES HDMI cable. I really liked the box. Levelhike, Beyond the Next. High definition cable for retro game consoles. This just kind of has a very high-end feel to it. I like it. Not many specs on the box, but that I suppose we can look up online. Looks like this is the HDMI cable. Kind of has that high-end feel to it because it's got these little caps, which I think is pretty cool. Little dust covers for the plugs. Here's your power cord, micro USB. And it looks like this plugs into the back of your AES, and this end you plug into the HDMI cord. This has a switch to switch between the 4:3 and the 16:9 aspect ratios. There seems to be a couple little scuffs on here, but small potatoes. Right out of the gate, you can see jail bars running vertically from the top to the bottom of the screen. I want to put composite video on the left and the Levelhike HDMI cable on the right, so that you can all see a side-by-side comparison of what it's going to look like on your HD TV set. You can see here that the cable struggles transitioning from light to dark scenes. Even now, you can see those jail bars again. Oof. It's still good though. I mean, if you're just looking for a plug-and-play solution to be able to plug in your Neo Geo AES to your modern HD TV set, I mean, this does the trick. But you can see here, look at how Madu's sword, the blue seems to be flickering. I bought my Levelhike HDMI cable from stoneagegamer.com. Definitely check them out if you get the chance. It cost about $40, about $38. And then there is some shipping and handling tacked on top of that. But here you can see they've got some cool little infographics, maybe some instructions if it's your first time plugging in an HD cable. I like that they included the composite versus the Levelhike HDMI cable here. You can see it's clearly better. So it's not just an HDMI plug-and-play solution, but it's even better than composite. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, as I'll be putting the Levelhike HDMI cable head to head with the Hyperkin, and we'll see who wins.